Welcome to Tarsha's Keto-licious Kitchen, where the food is always keto-licious. I went to Food Lion and man, I got a good sale on some steak. I have 2 New York strip and a T-bone. And you know, the T-bone was just $9 and something. And these 2 New York strips were like $12 and change. My seasonings I use is garlic powder, some soul food seasoning. I also use some Montreal steak seasoning. And also I use a Chicago steak seasoning. All right, now let's get cooking. We have our steak frying on the griddle. It's our T-bone, our strip, New York strip. We're going to season well to our liking. And you can use whatever season you desire. Now I'm frying some onions and peppers. And I have a melody of peppers, green, red, and orange. And also I add some mushrooms. These are some baby Bella mushrooms. All right, I decided on the side to have me a nice salad. So this is a Farmer's Garden salad, and it also has tomatoes already in it. With our salad, I chopped some cucumbers. I added some triple cheddar cheese, and here's my salad. I'm going to add my cheese. Oh, look at that steak. So succulent and juicy. Looks so good. And I cooked it to my desire. You can cook your steak to however way you like. Oh, wow. Look at the finished touch. The mushrooms, the peppers, so delicious. And here's my dinner, my Zevia, my dressing, and my salad.
What's up? Can I help you with something?
You gonna try it?
Baby, you already know what I think. I mean, really?
Taste it.
All right, hold up. Let me see something here. I mean, I don't understand. What's the point? You already know what I think.
Baby, tell me what you think.
Wait a minute. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Keto-licious, baby. Keto-licious.